The Lotus Lake looks magical today.
Did you see that golden light?
Oh, something is glowing underwater. I've never seen anything like this.
Nature has blessed our village.
Let's harvest it together!
Wow! It's so huge!
All together. Almost there. Great teamwork. We can do it. Keep pulling. Success! Look how giant it is. Everyone is helping. This is wonderful. Let's take it to the village.
Let's wash it carefully. The fragrance is wonderful. These slices are enormous. The halwa is starting to cook.
It smells so sweet already.
Keep stirring gently. Let's make it perfect.
Add the fresh milk. Now the sugar. Don't forget the saffron. The cardamom smells amazing.
It's becoming creamy. Keep stirring.
Almost ready.
The aroma is wonderful.
Everyone will enjoy it.
What a magical recipe.
Something smells delicious.
The halwa is ready, one!
Everything looks beautiful. Place the flowers here.
The tables are ready. Welcome everyone. Let's celebrate together.
Today is a special day.
This is the best halwa ever.
I'm so happy!
Everyone loves it. Sharing makes everything sweeter.
Delicious!
Dance together. What a wonderful celebration. Today is unforgettable. Thank you, everyone. Please enjoy this special halwa made with love for everyone.
Thank you! It looks delicious!
What?
This is the happiest day ever! The giant lotus root is amazing! Your smiles make us happy!
It's glowing again.
It's blessing our village! It's beautiful!
Kindness always brings miracles.
Some home.
There is enough for everyone.
Thank you so much.
We love sharing!
Thank you for your magical gift. Goodbye, Giant Lotus Root. See you again. Thank you for your magical gift.
We'll never forget this day!
Goodbye, Giant Lotus Root. See you again.
Let's always help each other.
We promise. Together we are stronger. Forever friends.